When you're negotiating a home purchase, lowering the price isn't always the smartest move. In many cases, asking for concessions can put more money back in your pocket without weakening your offer. I'm Jermaine, your Arizona realtor, lender, and fellow investor. And today we're breaking down why seller concessions can sometimes be more powerful than a simple price reduction, and how to use them strategically. When you lower the price of a home, it reduces the contract value. But that savings is spread out over the life of your loan. A small price reduction may only lower your monthly payment by a modest amount. Concessions, on the other hand, can directly reduce your out-of-pocket expenses at closing. That means less cash needed up front, which can be far more impactful in the short term. In competitive markets, sellers may also prefer keeping the price stable while offering concessions. That preserves comparable sales in the neighborhood and avoids setting a new lower benchmark for nearby homes. By asking for concessions like closing cost assistance or repair credits, you maintain the contract price while improving your financial position. For example, seller concessions can sometimes be used toward a 2-1 temporary buydown, which lowers your interest rate for the first 2 years, or a 1-0 buydown, which lowers it by 1% for the first year before returning to the regular rate. And depending on the loan program and lender guidelines, concessions may also be used toward a permanent rate buydown, which can lower the interest rate for the life of the loan. These options can significantly lower your monthly payment strategy and make the transition into home ownership much smoother. That kind of structured strategy can often provide more immediate benefit than simply negotiating a slightly lower price. The key is understanding your loan type, concession limits, and how everything affects appraisal and underwriting. If you have any other questions about using concessions strategically, then let's talk. I'm always here to help homeowners and future homeowners like you. Got questions? Call or text me at 480-800-HOME, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Arizona real estate tips. Have a nice day.